You can burp on command, right? To learn how to burp on command, but like, I feel like no one ever really has a good answer, but I don't know. I was thinking maybe you can give me some pointers. Okay, I can do it. I can do it. I think I got one. That was fun. That was the biggest one yet. Am I good at it or what? I can see why you do this so much. It's like such a good feeling. Okay, I'm finding if I like maybe lean forward a little, it helps. All right, let's try this. Oh God, I have hiccups now. Okay, I think I might be louder than you now. How do you do this and not hiccup? Okay, I feel like I'm getting pretty good at this. Oh my God, I love the feeling. Oh my God, I'm like practically a pro. Ooh. I still have the hiccups. I still have the hiccups. Fuck. Oh my God, I cannot wait to get out there and show off my skills. Oh, fuck. Oh my God. Oh, I'm still hiccuping. Oh my God. Oh, I'm still hiccuping. Ready? Hang on, I could probably do even better. Hang on. Hang on, I could probably do even better. Hang on. Oh, what the fuck? How does it feel? How does it feel? Do you regret teaching me? Do you regret teaching me? What the fuck is up? No way you can burp that loud. would be. I'm telling everyone I could burp. What's wrong, little girl? Are you sad you can't burp like me? Don't you wish you could burp like a girl?